June 13th, 2025. We're up in Park County on a deck. So deck kit to this monolith. We went with a narrower cap to fit the space based on scale and traffic pattern desired. But this is our Trailhead Monolith Deck Kit. The Surfin Black is what I really want to focus on again. This is our new finish, guys. If you elect to not powder coat and you want patina, well, when it gets to the house, this is what it's going to look like. And then Mother Nature will allow it to further evolve over time. Surfin Black is wonderful, but it will develop that more rusted luster and color as it sees more weather. 970-759-3103, Jason at Breck, Ironworks.com. Please reach out anytime. Thank you so much.